Let's switch gears and talk a little bit about gear. You talked about buying 2 extra batteries, Matterport Pro 3 camera batteries yesterday, in fact.
Yeah.
Tell us about how long does your one battery last, and why you ended up buying 2 additional batteries.
So this is one thing I wanted to try to get done before our meeting today, and hadn't really had a chance. I did take some notes and I'm kind of referencing them, but when I did that Mare Island scan, I started at 60% battery and I got down to 41% by the time I was done. And that was over 143 scans. So I don't have a good benchmark from, 100% down to 0. 500 scans. I don't know. I haven't ran out of a battery yet.
So why'd you buy 2 more?
Because I'm an extremist and there's a battery shortage, and if I need to sell some to make some, no. No, just because I am an extremist, and hopefully I want to get a couple more Pro 3s, and so I just want to have enough battery. If I'm doing a big project, I don't want to have to stop and charge.
Okay. And have you done any all-day shoots of that might be a challenge if you only had one Matterport Pro 3 camera battery?
I've done all-day shoots, but I haven't killed the battery yet.
On the Pro 3?
On the Pro 3, yeah.
Okay. All right. And do you ever do maybe listings where there's no power in the...
Sometimes.
Yeah. Okay.
Sometimes.
So is there anything other than that safety? I just want to make sure that I have a battery. I don't want to run out of battery. Was there anything specifically that you decided you wanted to get 2? I'm trying to understand why you just didn't buy one Matterport Pro 3 camera battery.
I just felt it's the extremist in me. I could have bought 1. I wanted to buy 2. I didn't want to spend the money to buy 3. I had 3 in my cart originally, but I felt like I should give somebody else that extra one.
Okay.
No, it just comes down to, with my regular camera, I shoot Sony, and I have 8 batteries for that. I never have ran through 8 at one time, but I have 4 batteries for my drone. So if a battery's low and I forget to charge it, I have a backup.
Okay, sounds like a plan.